Hey everyone, my name is Daniel Maldonado. I'm an attorney here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I practice insurance defense work for large corporate clients. I actually also write legal thrillers. I've, I'm the author of Daniel Mendoza Thrillers series. There's 5 books in that series, and I'm currently writing the 6th novel called Amnesia. Amnesia is a book about an individual, a female named Jennifer Adams, who is alleged to have suffered a traumatic brain injury as a result of a vehicular car accident. There's lots of ways you can get a traumatic brain injury. It can be caused by a blow to the head, vehicular accidents like the one I just mentioned that's going to be featured in the novel Amnesia. Those accidents can be involving cars, bikes, pedestrians. You can also get a traumatic brain injury as a result of a fall, a physical assault, some type of blunt trauma during a sporting event, or some type of blast trauma. And the symptoms that you may receive as a result of a traumatic brain injury includes headaches, dizziness, fatigue, irritability, anxiety, insomnia, loss of concentration and memory, tinnitus, blurred vision, and noise and light sensitivity. Those symptoms, can in fact impact you physically, behaviorally, or even sensory. There's lots of things that you can do to determine whether or not you did receive a traumatic brain injury during some incident, or like what's featured in my upcoming legal thriller, Amnesia, the Daniel Mendoza Thriller Series, Book 6. There's a lot of different ways you can find out. One of that is through a neurological exam that's performed by a neurologist to judge the individual's motor and sensory skills, to test their hearing and speech, coordination and balance, mental status, and change in mood or behavior. That's usually done with also diagnostic imaging, which can be a CT scan or an MRI. There's just so many different things that you need to determine in wondering whether or not you've received such a serious injury. I don't represent plaintiffs who are injured in vehicle accidents who get a traumatic brain injury. But if you have been injured, make sure you go to a doctor, especially, like I said, a neurologist. And if you have some, issues with your neurological functions, especially any executive functions, make sure you go to a neuropsychologist who can help treat you for any cognitive deficits. Anyway, I hope you get a chance to read my novels, especially that Amnesia one. I'm currently writing it. I've written 8 chapters of it so far, about 15,000 pages. It should be available later this year. You can buy my previous novels, including my latest one, Sandstorm Rising, involving Pamela Williams, on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Google Play, and Apple Books, and other digital stores. Thanks again, everyone, and I hope to see you again in the future.